Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. A soft, moist orange cake filled with fresh citrus flavor is coming together step by step using simple ingredients and easy baking methods that anyone can follow at home. Every stage builds flavor, texture, and aroma until a perfectly fluffy cake is achieved straight from the oven. Today, we're making a soft, moist, and deeply fragrant orange cake that fills your kitchen with a bright citrus aroma and delivers a light, fluffy texture in every single bite. This is the kind of homemade dessert that feels simple and comforting, but tastes like something you would find in a bakery. It is perfect for tea time, afternoon snacks, family gatherings, or even as a light dessert after meals. The best part is that you don't need fancy baking tools or expensive ingredients. Everything comes from basic pantry staples combined with the natural freshness of oranges. Before we begin, it's important to understand that baking is not just about mixing ingredients, but about preparation and timing. A well-prepared kitchen makes the entire process smoother and more enjoyable. So first, make sure all your ingredients are measured and ready. This helps avoid mistakes later and ensures your batter comes together perfectly. At the same time, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is very important because the cake needs to go into a properly heated oven to rise evenly. Lightly grease your baking pan with oil or butter, and if you have parchment paper, line the bottom for easier removal after baking. Now let's talk about the most important ingredient in this recipe, the orange. Fresh oranges are essential because they provide both juice and zest, and each plays a different role in flavor. The juice gives moisture and natural sweetness, while the zest contains aromatic oils that give the cake its strong citrus fragrance. When zesting the orange, make sure to only remove the bright orange outer layer. Avoid the white part underneath, which is bitter and can affect the taste of your cake. Once you have both juice and zest ready, set them aside because we will use them at different stages of the recipe. In a large mixing bowl, crack in 2 fresh eggs. Eggs are a key structure builder in baking. They help bind the ingredients together and contribute to the rise and softness of the cake. Whisk the eggs lightly until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Next, add 1 cup of sugar. Sugar does more than just sweeten the cake. It also helps create a soft and tender crumb when properly mixed with the eggs. Beat the mixture until it becomes slightly pale, smooth, and a bit fluffy. You do not need an electric mixer for this step. A simple whisk or spatula is enough as long as you mix thoroughly. After that, slowly pour in half a cup of vegetable oil. Oil is preferred in this recipe because it keeps the cake moist even after it cools down, unlike butter which can sometimes make cakes firmer when chilled. Mix gently as you add the oil so the texture stays smooth and well blended. Once the oil is fully incorporated, add half a cup of fresh orange juice along with 1 tablespoon of orange zest. At this point, the aroma should already become noticeable and refreshing. The citrus scent will start to come alive in the batter. If you want to enhance the flavor even more, you may add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This helps balance the citrus notes and adds depth to the overall flavor profile. In a separate bowl, prepare your dry ingredients. You will need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The flour gives structure, the baking powder helps the cake rise and become fluffy, and the salt enhances all the flavors and balances the sweetness. Mix the dry ingredients thoroughly so the baking powder is evenly distributed. This step is important because uneven mixing can cause the cake to rise unevenly in the oven. The batter is now ready and the baking process is about to begin, where heat transforms simple ingredients into a soft, golden orange cake with a light and fragrant finish. The next steps will show how it rises, sets, and becomes perfectly moist inside. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.